The coaching world is full of opportunities, but finding the right niche for you can feel overwhelming. Have you ever wondered what really makes a great coach, or how to carve out your space in a crowded market? If you're unsure where to start, you're in the right place. We'll take it even further. I'll walk you through clear, actionable steps to help you find your perfect niche and finally get your coaching business off the ground. At the end, I'll share a free worksheet that will guide you step by step. It's packed with tools to help you define your niche, identify your dream clients, and avoid common mistakes. Now let me introduce you to Alex. Alex loves helping people and has always dreamed of building a career doing what he's passionate about. But like many coaches, he felt stuck. His passion is health and fitness, but he kept asking himself, is this niche too crowded? Should I look elsewhere? We'll follow Alex's journey to see the exact steps he took to decide if the niche was the right path for him, or if another niche would fit better. Take a moment to reflect on what makes you unique as a coach. Your skills, experiences, and passions form the foundation of a successful coaching business. Take Alex, for example. He loves helping people and has a passion for fitness. Imagine if Alex started coaching in the crypto niche just because it's trendy. He might make some money, but would it feel meaningful? Probably not. That's why this step is crucial. When your coaching business aligns with who you are, it sets the stage for long-term success and personal fulfillment. Many new coaches fall into the shiny object trap, chasing popular or profitable niches without asking, does this align with me? It ends with frustration, lack of motivation, and a business that soon comes to an end. Sound familiar? That feeling of not knowing where you belong in the crowded coaching space? If so, you're not alone. But here's the good news. This step will help you gain clarity and stand out. When you align your skills and passions, you'll define a niche that excites you and feels authentic. You won't just blend in, you'll create a space where you can truly grow. Let's look at how Alex did it and how you can do it too. To find your niche, start by mapping out your skills and passions. Here's how. Grab a pen and paper or open a document. Draw 2 columns. Label one skills and the other passions. Start brainstorming. Skills. What are you naturally good at? These can be professional abilities, personal strengths, or hobbies. For Alex, his skills included designing effective workout plans, tracking progress using fitness apps, understanding basic nutrition for muscle gain. Passions. What excites you? What do you love talking about or doing? Alex's passions were fitness and strength training, helping others build confidence, sharing his personal fitness journey. Next, take a deeper look at your life experiences. What challenges have you faced and overcome? What advice do people often ask you for? Are there moments where you showed resilience or expertise? For Alex, the answer was clear. As a teenager, he struggled to gain muscle and felt overwhelmed by conflicting advice. It wasn't until he followed a structured plan that he finally achieved his goals. That journey inspired him to help others avoid the same frustrations. Now, take a closer look at your lists and highlight the intersections between your skills and passions. These overlaps are where the magic happens. They reveal the opportunities for your coaching business. Next, think about the problems these intersections could solve. For Alex, his passion for fitness and his skill in creating personalized workout plans pointed to a clear opportunity, helping young men build muscle while boosting their confidence. To get even more clarity, use this simple formula to craft your niche statement. I help customer who struggle to pain point, achieve dream results by how you will help. For example, Alex's statement became, I help young men who struggle to gain muscle achieve their fitness goals through tailored workout plans and progress tracking tools. This not only helped Alex understand how he could make a difference, but also allowed him to confidently communicate his value to his ideal clients. Now it's your turn. Write your own statement and see how it transforms your focus. After you've identified your skills and passions, the next step is defining who you'll serve. Because if you try to help everyone, you'll end up helping no one. Think about it. Even within a niche like fitness, the needs of a 40-year-old mom trying to lose weight are completely different from a 20-year-old guy looking to bulk up. If you try to help both, your message becomes unrelatable and potential clients won't see themselves in your offer. Alex faced this problem early on. He tried to appeal to anyone interested in fitness, but without a clear audience, his message fell flat and his efforts felt scattered. Defining your audience means straighten your focus to a specific group of people with shared goals and challenges. This clarity not only makes your messaging more effective, but also simplifies building a coaching program tailored to their needs. Start by identifying the basic profile of your audience. Who are they? Age, gender, location. What is their life situation? Married, single, students, working working professionals. What's their financial situation? Budget conscious or able to afford premium coaching? Example for Alex. Young men aged 18 to 30, often students or early in their careers, with limited time and budgets, but a strong desire to improve their fitness and confidence. Now dig deeper into their struggles. What keeps them up at night? Frustrations, challenges? What have they tried before and why didn't it work? How does this problem affect them emotionally? Example for Alex. Young men struggling to gain muscle, frustrated by conflicting advice online and overwhelmed by complex fitness plans. They feel uncomfortable about their physique and lack confidence. Shift your focus to what they want to achieve. What's their dream outcome? What motivates them? External validation or internal growth? Example for Alex. Dream outcome, gaining muscle and achieving a confident, strong appearance. Motivation, feeling good about themselves and gaining respect in social and professional settings. Understanding how your audience wants to solve their problems helps you design your program. What type of coaching do they prefer? One-on-one, group or self-paced courses? What tools resonate with them? Apps, worksheets, interactive sessions. Example for Alex. Young men looking for personalized workout plans, simple nutrition advice, and progress tracking through an app, or easy to follow templates. Finally, figure out where your audience spends their time. Where are they online? Social media, forums, subreddits. Who influences them? Fitness YouTubers, Instagram coaches, local gyms. Example for Alex. Alex's dream customer is active on Instagram, YouTube fitness channels, and fitness-related subreddits, likely to follow influencers in the strength training space. 1. Who are they? Age, gender, location. 2. What's their life situation, e.g. student, professional. 3. What's their financial situation, budget conscious or premium buyers. 4. What are their biggest challenges and frustrations. 5. Why have previous solutions failed them. 6. How do these struggles affect them emotionally. 7. What's their dream outcome. 8. What motivates them. 9. What coaching format do they prefer. 10. What tools resonate with them. 11th. Where do they spend their time. 12th, who influences them? Answering these will give you the clarity you need to create a targeted coaching offer that truly resonates. By now, Alex has a clear picture of his dream client, young men, just like his younger self, eager to build muscle, but overwhelmed by conflicting advice and endless fitness trends. He understands their struggles, pain points, and goals, but even with this clarity, Alex faced another important question. Why should these young men choose me as their coach instead of someone else? This is a question every coach needs to answer. Without a clear and unique promise, you risk blending into the crowd and losing the opportunity to deeply connect with your audience. This realization left Alex feeling uneasy. He saw countless fitness coaches offering similar programs and began to wonder, how can I stand out in such a crowded market? Many coaches get stuck here. They try to be the best or constantly innovate, only to feel frustrated or burned out. The truth is, what sets you apart isn't perfection. It's your ability to make a unique promise that speaks directly to your audience's needs and desires. For Alex, the answer was closer than he thought: his personal story. He remembered the struggles he faced as a teenager, wasting time on one-size-fits-all programs that didn't deliver results. Everything changed once he discovered a simple strategy that worked. That experience became the foundation of his unique promise. I help young men gain muscle and build confidence by following a simple, no-nonsense plan tailored to their needs and progress. This wasn't just a catchy phrase. It is a bridge between Alex's journey and the transformation his clients were looking for. His promise was relatable, specific, and authentic, exactly what his clients needed to trust him. Now it's your turn to craft your unique promise. Start by reflecting on, what's the most meaningful problem you solve? How does your personal story or experience make you uniquely qualified to help your audience? What transformation can you confidently promise to deliver? Use this simple framework to guide you. I help customers who struggle to pain point achieve dream result by how you help. Take your time with this exercise. Make it clear, relatable, and authentic. Once you've defined your promise, you'll be ready to communicate it with confidence and clarity. With Alex's unique promise in hand, he felt a surge of confidence. He had a clear audience, understood their pain points, and crafted a message that connected his personal story to their needs. But as he started outlining his coaching program, doubts came in. What if no one is interested in what I'm offering? What if my niche isn't as viable as I thought? This is a critical step for any coach. Defining your niche and unique promise is essential, but before investing time and resources, you need to confirm your niche has real demand. Alex's fear of failure grew as he thought about the time, money, and energy he was about to invest. He wondered, what if my program doesn't resonate? What if no one sees the value? This fear is common, and many coaches skip validation entirely, launching programs without confirming demand. The result? disappointment and frustration when their audience doesn't engage. The good news? You don't have to guess. There are practical steps to ensure your niche is worth going into. Instead of letting his doubts hold him back, Alex decided to validate his niche. Here's what he did: engaged with potential clients. Alex spoke directly to young men who shared his struggles. He asked questions like, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to building muscle? Have you tried other fitness programs? What worked or didn't work for you? If you could achieve your dream physique, what would that look like? Joined relevant communities. He participated in fitness forums and social media groups, observing conversations and identifying recurring themes. Tested his methods. Alex offered free mini coaching sessions to gather feedback and see if his approach resonated. What he discovered was eye-opening. His audience connected with his unique promise. They had specific pain points that weren't addressed by other programs, like building muscle on a budget or staying motivated with a busy schedule. With this feedback, Alex refined his offer and gained the confidence to move forward, knowing his niche had real potential. Now it's your turn to validate your niche. Think of this step as your safety net. It ensures your efforts will lead to real impact and success. Here's how to do it. Engage your audience directly. Conduct informal interviews or surveys. Ask open-ended questions about their challenges, goals, and preferences. Join relevant communities. Engage in online forums, social media groups, or meetups where your audience gathers. Observe conversations to identify common pain points and desires. Offer a test program. Run a free or low-cost pilot version of your coaching program. Ask participants for feedback. What was valuable? What could be improved? Validating your niche not only confirms its potential, but also gives you valuable insights to strengthen your coaching program. By taking this step, you ensure that when you launch, you're offering something your audience truly needs and wants. With his niche validated, Alex was confident and ready to launch his coaching business. He had a clear audience, understood their pain points, and tested his approach. But as he scrolled through social media, he noticed something troubling. Many coaches were struggling. Some couldn't gain traction. Others had trouble connecting with their audience, and a few had even quit completely. Alex realized that even with the right foundation, there were potential pitfalls that could derail his progress. He thought, what if I unknowingly fall into the same traps? What if all my hard work doesn't pay off because of avoidable mistakes? This is a critical moment for any coach. Even with a strong niche and validation, there are common missteps that can undermine your progress if you're not careful. By identifying these mistakes up front, Alex was able to avoid them and build his business with clarity and focus. And now so can you. Let's go through the common mistakes to avoid to keep your journey as a coach on track. Chasing trends instead of staying true to your niche. It's appealing to follow the latest trends or switch niches when something seems hot. But remember, your niche is built on your unique skills, passions, and your audience's needs. Avoidance. Tip: stick to your core strengths and validated audience. Building deep trust in a specific niche is far more effective than diluting your message to appeal to everyone. Skipping the validation step. Many coaches assume their idea will work without testing it first. This often leads to wasted time, money, and frustration when their offer doesn't resonate. Avoidance. Tip: regularly revisit the validation step. Engage with your audience to ensure your program stays relevant as their needs evolve. Overloading your messaging. Trying to say too much can confuse your audience. If your messaging isn't clear, people won't know if your coaching's the right fit for them. Avoidance. Tip: keep your message focused and concise. Use a simple framework like I help customer who struggle to pain point. Achieve dream result by how you help. Neglecting consistency. Success doesn't happen overnight. Many coaches give up too soon or fail to communicate consistently with their audience. Avoidance. Tip: commit to a schedule for sharing content and engaging with your audience. Show up regularly with insights, stories, and value, even if results take time. Failing to differentiate yourself. In a crowded market, blending in is a surefire way to be overlooked. Avoidance tip: lean into what makes you unique. Share your personal story, highlight your specific approach, and focus on solving the problems your audience cares about most. By recognizing these pitfalls, you can avoid common frustrations and focus on building a coaching business that grows in the long run. Take a moment to reflect on these mistakes and think about how you can steer clear of them. Which ones do you feel most at risk of making? Write them down and brainstorm strategies to avoid them. This reflection isn't just a helpful exercise, it's a guide to keep you grounded and focused as you build your coaching business. Now, you're already ahead of many coaches who let these mistakes hold them back. Now, with clarity and direction, it's time to take action and start building your dream coaching business. I've created a step-by-step worksheet that walks you through everything we covered in this video. It's available in my free coaching community. Click the link in the description to join now and grab your free worksheet. Let's get started on your journey to success.